If you want massive coastal views without completely destroying your knees, you're in the right place. Welcome to Pauanui, where we'll be skipping the punishing mountain climb and taking the smart, soul-recharging secret escape. Flat Rock Walk, 10 minutes away. That could be a great success. I have to check it out. There's a little doggy. Oh, you look like a speedster. Are you in trouble? Oh no. Dog eating something is never good. This is the perfect first taste of the summit for families or anyone wanting big rewards without the full slog. It is pretty cold and there's still people swimming, which is kind of crazy. We parked for free right by the trailhead at the South End Reserve, which is also handy for public toilets and picnic tables. Pauanui is a relaxed, slightly upmarket resort town, and Te Reo Māori means abundant, large paua. This whole beautiful Coromandel area is incredibly deep roots for the local iwi. The temperature is definitely dropping. The storm is coming. There is actually a storm coming. We're hopefully going to forgo hitting it. Oh my gosh, this is like so much easier than the summit track. Summit track was roots, rocks, more roots, more rocks. Beauty. This track is much shorter than the trig track, but it's still wild with regenerative bush. You've got rough roots and the occasional steep patches, so please don't tackle this in flat beach sneakers. Get something with a little bit of grip. Round to go? Oh, there's some more babies. While we navigate, listen out for the native birds, tui, bellbirds, fantails, and the kaka. They love this spot. Malamute. On the local dog rules, it seems to be pretty split. Technically, they're not allowed in these native bush tracks to protect all the wildlife. Okay. You guys are so good sitting up there. Down on the main beach, they're prohibited from 9 a.m. till 6 p.m, which these guys were here for. But they must stay clear of the nesting dotterels. Wrong way! Before hitting the trail, I loaded up my day pack with 2 liters of water and snacks from the big supermarket in Thames on our way in, which is much easier than paying the boutique prices in town. Almost went off track from the dogs. Oh, there's a little lookout seat! Cell phone reception drops in these steep pockets, so always save your trail maps offline before you leave the car park. Let's see. Lookout seat. Speaking of the beach, it's 3 kilometers of gorgeous white sand. If this rocky climb isn't your vibe today, the coastal track around the base of the mountain or the flat 10-kilometer estuary harbour trail are amazing, stroller-friendly, flat alternatives. Nice little lookout. Oh, I love all of that. Oops. Whoa. Coromandel weather changes fast. Always pack a rain layer and something mid in your bag, even in summer. Breathable gear is a lifesaver when you're going for a sweaty climb to a breezy shaded ridge. Make sure you check MetService app or the rain radar and pick the best weather window before heading out. So far my highlight is the dogs. Don't forget sun protection. The coastal UV is brutal. My low light is the gliders. Oh wow, look at those rocks, that looks epic. Oh, I love all of that. That must be where people fish from. Interesting. I like it so much better than the other one. The other one was an absolute slog. Coastal, but can't see too much. But I do like all of that. Look at that. Keep on keeping on the whole way? Okay. Very heavy. You reckon they're going fishing or coming back from? It's absolutely beautiful out here. Sweeping clifftop views towards Tairua, Paku, and the offshore islands. From a tourism perspective, Pauanui absolutely earns a massive yes. Oh! There's a flat rock. Let's have a walk. You get these incredible summit-style rewards in a much kinder package for mobility. Take a minute to soak it in. That's a massive win for the day. Sweet! I saw there's some graffiti. Hey! Shh. Almost. Hidden. Explore what I can while I'm here. Oof. Wowee. Once we finish this, the rewards are endless. We can hit patrolled flags for a post-hike swim, check out the 20-odd boutique shops, cafes, bakeries in the village. Or even, well, if you're into it, play some golf. This is where the grippy shoes really earn their keep. Downhill is always tougher on kneel the knee and birth at the back. So take it easy. If you want to explore more, Cathedral Cove and the historic Broken Hills track are just a short drive away. And if you're looking to book a classic Kiwi batch or an upmarket lodge to recover, scan that code and get hunting. People fishing down there as well. Very cool track. Easy enough to do. Quick reward. The verdict: respect your footing, take your time, and you'll absolutely crush it. Take a breath. Bing bang boom, and that is an epic piece of nature with amazing views, and my joints are happy. Hit subscribe to BinkyT for more realistic Ultra HD walks across New Zealand, and I'll catch you in the next one.